Guys, and this is Wills, and welcome to today's video whereby I'm going to talk about sugarcane juice business. So I hope this video will be useful to you, and if that's the case, you can like, you can share with your friends, you can also give me comments, ask me questions about the business or any other business, and you can also subscribe to my channel. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is an overview about sugarcane. Sugarcane, as you know, in Kiswahili inaitwa miwa. Sugarcane is a common product, agricultural product, and it's readily available in Kenya and maybe East Africa or any other country. So what are some of the benefits? Now most people are beginning to realize that sugarcane iko so many health benefits. For example, the juice has antioxidants. The rich antioxidants in the sugarcane juice will help to boost your immunity. We also have other minerals like iron, magnesium, and so on. So it's a good business. Now to do sugarcane juice business, you need a tool, a machine that can press the juice out of the sugarcane stems. So these are examples of machines. Some are electrical and some are manual, and you can readily find them in the local market. Next thing ni key success factors. By this namaanisha, these are the factors you need to keep in mind if you want to run a successful sugarcane juice business. Number one is the location. Location ya hii biashara lazima uweke mahali kuna a good flow of people, okay? Or you can also have it located in a high-end neighborhood where there's no such an outlet. Then number two, people are very keen about cleanliness, so make sure that you maintain high standards of hygiene when running your small outlet. Then you should also have a steady supply of quality sugarcane. Now the cane you are going to use to make your juice has to be the right quality. If it's not the right quality, you'll have problems. So if you keep in mind these three success factors, you'll be able to run a successful sugarcane business. Now based on research, we have strengths, opportunities, weakness, and threats associated with this kind of business. Now number one, considering the strengths, this is an easy to start business considering that the capital required is not that huge, okay? So it also has good profit margins. For example, a glass of sugarcane juice in the lower end market will cost around 50 shillings, while in the higher end market you can even sell at 100, 150 or 200 depending on the size or whatever you added in if you decided to blend the juice. Then opportunities, you can diversify. Other than just sugarcane juice, you can introduce other types of juices like mango juice. You can also add melon juice. You can also have blends that you can also introduce spices, things like ginger, turmeric, and so on. Then apart from that, you can also expand the business. You can open branches of other outlets depending on how successful you run your first outlet. Then ukikuja kwa weaknesses, kuna competition. We have other people doing other juices. You may have other people, other competitors opening similar businesses where you opened your outlet. Then another weakness is bad weather. During the cold weather, normally people don't like drinking juices, so it may not be very good during the cold weather season. Then other than that, in terms of threats, kuna threats kama theft. In Kenya, if you locate your business where there is no enough security, utapata mashini yako inaweza ibiwa and so on. Then bad quality of sugarcane is a threat, as when the customers realize the quality of juice is down, wataanza kutoroka. So that is SWOT analysis. Then what do you need to get started with this business? So here is a breakdown of the budget you can use. You can see it's a fairly affordable budget. Now, depending on the location, the rent and deposit may vary. So it can be 20 or 30,000. Then we have licenses. You'll need a business permit to operate this kind of business. You may need a few furniture and maybe branding. It can be to the tunes of 10,000. Then equipment, you may need around 50,000. You can start with one machine. Then the stock, sugarcane is a perishable product, so you need just a few shillings for stock. Then miscellaneous 10,000. So with 110,000 shillings, you'll be able to start a sugarcane juice business. Then just a quote to inspire you: when you find an idea that is you just can't stop thinking about, that's probably a good idea that you need to pursue. So perhaps sugarcane juice is one of the ideas you've been thinking about. Now you have some information that you can use to get started. So in conclusion, sugarcane juice business is a lucrative business and is gaining popularity as more people discover about the benefits of drinking juice from sugarcane. So you just need to get started. Just get started, be patient, and give yourself at least 3 months, and the business will be able to peak and give you the profits that you've been desiring. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.